This video will show you how to use the text-to-speech feature in Messenger Pigeon. By default, you can listen back to the audio recording your transcript was generated from. But Messenger Pigeon has built-in text-to-speech voices, so you can hear your sessions in a voice that works best for you. From any session page, tap the three-dot menu located in the top right corner. Select the drop-down menu under Text-to-Speech Voice. Messenger Pigeon has a wide selection of voices for you to choose from. Tap any voice to try it out. When it's ready, Messenger Pigeon will send you a notification. Tap Close to return back to your session page. Now when you play your lecture, it will be read back to you in your selected voice.
Today, I want to talk about one of the most powerful ideas
Whether it's
in
Drake,
economics, opportunity cost.
Nicole,
Every choice we make has a hidden
price
Sia,
tag, not just the
Mark,
we spend, but the next
or
best
Trevor,
alternative we give up.
Messenger Pigeon is ready to help you learn your way. Now you can use the text-to-speech feature in Messenger Pigeon.